The answer is no, you can't. And let me tell you why you don't want to before telling you what you really want to do. So first off, each HUD is custom for each particular color control. Different color controls have different HUDs, as you've seen in other videos in this series. And furthermore, the graticules and overlays for each HUD are also very specific to each individual control. The problem with keeping a particular HUD on screen all the time is you would only ever see the last HUD you touched from the last control you adjusted. And that's probably not necessarily going to be the analysis you're going to want for the duration of your working session. But here's why that's okay. Because while you don't want the HUDs to be on screen all the time, what you may want to have is for the video scopes to be on screen all of the time. These dedicated video scopes are based on exactly the same brand new video scope technology that we built for the HUDs, but packaged for the needs of anybody that wants to have a set of scopes for QC work or just a closer ongoing look at what you're doing. One thing I want you to know about the video scopes is you can put them anywhere you want. So for instance, I can resize them and they automatically reorient themselves to the best layout given the aspect ratio of the scopes. But I can also drag these and put them, say, all the way over here. And now I have a very nice scopes layout for ongoing analysis as I do whatever it is I need to be doing.